2, 1, go! All right, we are underway here in match number 21. Should be a good one. Two very potent scoring robots on our Red Alliance. 31-28 on the Blue Alliance. Another great Coral robot. They're coming back, trying to score a third Coral, but they were a little empty-handed. Looks like we have two Coral scored up high by each Alliance. Very surprising autonomous routine. There's a 26-26 tie at the start of Teleop. A little bit of Narwhals quickly scoring a Coral up high for the Blue Alliance. But here come two of the Red Alliance's scorers scoring up high there. SuperNURDs working on Algae, while 44-19 and NOMAD score Coral left and right on that Red Alliance reef. Here comes NOMAD up and in. It bounces over and onto the blue side of the field. Glittering more Algae onto that blue side of the field, making it harder for those blue robots to navigate around. 57-40, Red Alliance in the lead. SuperNURDs starting to run Coral now. As they have just loaded up, they're going to head over. Team Rewind scoring another Coral up high for the Red Alliance. SuperNURDs joining us as NOMAD switches to scoring down at level 1. 79-48, Red Alliance in the lead as a little bit of Narwhals coming back over to their reef. Looking to get lined up on that post, scoring up high as they are trying to close this deficit. Red Alliance building a very comfortable 97-57 lead with just over a minute left to play. We might see a Coral ranking point in this match as the Red Alliance is starting to work on level 2 Coral. They have enough Coral on the other 3 levels, so we could see that bonus ranking point here at the end of the match. Team Rewind trying to get another Coral on as NOMAD beats them to it, heads back to that feeder zone. Meanwhile, a little bit of Narwhals trying to find a place to score Coral there on the blue reef. They get it on, as it's still a 135-71 lead with 30 seconds left to play. Here come a little bit of Narwhals reaching up high. They score. Looks like something dangling from their claws. See if that could be problematic for them as the match progresses. That sound means we are in the end game portion of match number 21. Red with a very comfortable 152-81 lead. I think this might set a new high score here at the 2025 San Diego Regional. Up goes SuperNURDs. See if they can stay off the ground. Up goes NOMAD. And marking is Team Rewind. We will see.